Hi everyone, I'm Shah Shishra from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to remove message button on Facebook, which allows users to only receive text from their friends and not from strangers online. First, open the Messenger app. Then tap on the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings icon, which looks like a gear at the top right corner. Then privacy and safety button. Scroll down and you will find a section called See Who Can Reach You. You can see an option called Message Delivery. Click on it. Select the third option, which is the Don't Receive Requests option. Tap on Update Settings to confirm the variation. Now you can only receive text messages from your friends. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.